ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only four came waddling back. Quack, 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 where did they go? Where are they at? Quack, 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 one less duck is coming back. Four little ducks went out to play, through the stream and past the bay. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only three came waddling back. Quack, 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 where did they go? Where are they at? Quack, 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 one less duck is coming back. Oh, the hills are high and skies are blue, but where are my ducks? What can I do? Through the woods and the riverside, Mama duck waddles far and wide. One little duck went out alone, exploring fields it's never known. Mama duck called quack, 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 and all five ducks came waddling back. Duck waddles far and wide, one length and the riverside. Mama duck waddles far and wide.